Need help fast on Center Hill Lake? Middle TN Econo Lifts delivers quick, reliable boat lift solutions right when you need them. No delays, no hassle, just expert service done right. From emergency repairs to new installs, our fast response team is built for lake life. We understand the urgency when your lift fails or your dock is at risk. Serving the Center Hill Lake community with pride, we respond quickly, assess thoroughly, and act fast to protect your investment. Whether it's a pontoon, ski boat, or wake rig, we install and service premium Econo Lifts made in the USA. They're tough, durable, and designed for the Tennessee waterfront. Jet ski troubles? We've got floating PWC docks and drive-on lifts that keep you moving. Fast installs, clean setups, zero stress. Our team knows Center Hill Lake, from marina to cove. That means smarter inspections, faster setup, and no guesswork. We're not just installers, we're your shoreline support team, offering advice, upgrades, and maintenance that lasts. Because downtime at the lake? Not an option. Call Middle TN Econo Lifts for fast response boat lift services that work when you need them most. Center Hill Lake deserves dependable lift service, delivered fast. Let's keep your lake days smooth and stress-free.